Ever watched a rabbit leap across a field after stumbling? These gentle creatures are masters of resilience. When rabbits face obstacles, they don't give up. They pause, assess, and take another leap. Their soft appearance hides a powerful lesson. Setbacks aren't failures, but chances to adapt and grow stronger. Like rabbits, we can learn to face life's hurdles with courage and agility. Each time we fall, we have the choice to get up and keep moving forward. So, whenever you feel stuck, remember the rabbit. Pause, breathe, and bounce back stronger than before.